Hey guys, it's Josiah here at Man Northway. Today I'm going to show you how to use Android Auto on your GM infotainment system. Hey Google, what's Android Auto?
Android Auto is a mobile app developed by Google to mirror features from an Android device to a car's compatible in-dash information and entertainment head unit.
Android Auto gives you the ability to mirror some of your phone's functions onto the screen of your vehicle, including turn-by-turn navigation, audio, and hands-free calling. Let's get started. First, you'll need to make sure your vehicle is stopped and in park. Then you'll need to install the Android Auto app on your phone. Open it. Get started. Continue. Now you're going to have to grant 6 permissions. Allow Android Auto to make calls, access the device's location, allow Android Auto to send text messages, allow Android Auto to access your calendar, allow Android Auto to record audio, and the last one, allow Android Auto to access your contacts. Continue. Permit drawing over other apps. Notification access given to Android Auto. And now Android Auto will be displayed on your phone's screen. Alright, now the next step will be to pair your phone to the vehicle via USB cable. And then you'll see the option to continue. Continue on the phone. And it will come up on the screen. Now that you're connected, here's a few of the great features that you can use on your Android Auto. First of all, you have navigation. Right now, Android Auto supports Google Maps and Waze. You also have a phone app where you can see recent calls, call history, contacts, voicemail, and more. Your home button, your music app, where you can search for music by letter, you can go in your playlists, recent activity, Google Radio, podcasts, so on. And last of all, the home app, where you can return to your vehicle's main infotainment screen. Hey Google, play Hard Love.
Okay, here's the song Hard Love, playing from your Google Play Music library.
That's it for today, guys. Thanks for your time, and if you have any questions about how some of the new technology works in your vehicle, give me a call. I'm more than happy to help you out. Thanks, and take care.